Is your DeLonghi portable air conditioner blowing hot air or shutting down unexpectedly? A faulty exhaust fan is often the culprit. The exhaust fan removes hot air from the condenser coil, preventing overheating and ensuring efficient cooling. Safety is paramount when troubleshooting electrical appliances. Always unplug the unit before beginning any inspection or repair work. This prevents electrical shock and protects both you and the equipment. First, check if the fan motor is receiving power. Use a multimeter to test the voltage at the motor terminals. Set your multimeter to AC voltage mode and carefully probe the motor connections while the unit is plugged in and running. Next, test the motor for continuity using an ohm meter. Disconnect the motor from power and set your multimeter to resistance mode. A reading of 0 or very low resistance indicates good continuity. No continuity suggests a faulty motor that needs replacement. Examine the fan wheel for obstructions or damage. Remove any debris that might be blocking the fan blades. Check for physical damage, such as bent or broken blades, and ensure the fan wheel spins freely without binding. Clean the condenser coils using a soft brush or vacuum to remove dust buildup. Replace or clean the air filter, as a dirty filter can restrict airflow and cause the system to overheat. These simple maintenance steps often resolve exhaust fan issues. Check your unit's display for error codes and consult the user manual for interpretation. The H6 error code specifically may indicate an issue with the indoor motor feedback. Error codes provide valuable diagnostic information to pinpoint the exact problem. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the exhaust fan problem, it's time to consult a qualified HVAC technician. Complex electrical issues, refrigerant problems, or internal component failures require professional expertise and specialized tools for safe and effective repair. Remember, systematic troubleshooting starting with safety, followed by power testing, continuity checks, and physical inspection will help identify most exhaust fan problems. When in doubt, professional service ensures safe and proper repair. Proper maintenance is the key to preventing exhaust fan problems in your DeLonghi portable air conditioner. Following a regular maintenance schedule will keep your unit running efficiently and extend its lifespan. The most important maintenance task is cleaning your air filters every 2 weeks. Dirty filters restrict airflow, forcing the exhaust fan to work harder and potentially leading to overheating. Regular cleaning of the condenser coils and exhaust components prevents dust buildup that restricts airflow. Use a soft brush or vacuum to gently clean the coils, and always check the exhaust hose for any blockages or kinks. Proper placement is crucial for optimal performance. Place your unit on a level surface, away from walls and heat sources. Ensure the exhaust hose is properly connected without kinks and vented directly outside. Schedule professional maintenance every 4 to 6 months. A qualified technician will inspect all components, test the exhaust fan, check refrigerant levels, and ensure everything is functioning correctly. Following these maintenance tips will prevent exhaust fan problems, extend your air conditioner's lifespan, maintain cooling efficiency, and reduce costly repairs. Regular care is the best investment in your DeLonghi portable air conditioner.